Rugged outdoor network cable. Is ideal for direct ground burial without special cable conduits. Its protective solid jacket is resistant to water, UV rays, snow, and dirt. Perfect for connecting any room in your home or business. Time to switch from Cat5e to Cat6. Boost your home and work networks. Get faster speeds, up to 10 gigabits per second, and broader bandwidth, up to 550 MHz. Cat6 Ethernet cable is the next level of connection above Cat5e. Perfect for all types of network cabling. This gaming Ethernet cable is soft and flexible, easily fitting around corners and bends without fear of breaking the inner conductor. It has 4 twisted pairs of CCA and a PVC jacket. Pre-terminated with RJ45 connectors. Use a connector at the same level as the cable for a stable, interference-free internet connection. GearIT patch cables come with the appropriate connector for each cable model. Varied lengths for every need. You can get our high-speed Ethernet cable in 25 feet, 30 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet, 100 feet, 150 feet, 200 feet, 250 feet in black. All GearIT LAN cables come with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Durable, long and works. Ran it from one end of the house to the other via backyard. It seems like it should handle even the worst of weathers. Definitely worth it and cheaper than brand quality, while still getting brand quality. No latency or signal issues at all. I have 2 Wi-Fi access points now.